everyone to the Success Coach, Global Mindset, and True Media. Today we're on episode 3 on scratch coding on this Pacman videos. Yes, on this Pacman video, on this Pacman game, we will be making Pacman to be not going inside the borders. As you can see, there is a little intro on the video for how to play Pacman. Like there are the ghosts and there are Pacman. He's not going through the borders. Yeah, so that's what we're going to be making today. Before we get started, let's have a little talk about Pacman. Pacman is a really popular game. Yeah, it's a really popular game that almost everyone in this world knows.
Hello, welcome to the Success Coach. Today we are continuing developing the Pacman game. To do that, we have here Shadi Rashid. Hey Shadi, can you introduce yourself?
Yep, my name is Shadi Rashid, and today we're going to do this educational Pacman on Scratch. Yep, Pacman is really educational because Pacman, when you code the Pacman, you learn things. For example, you learn what happens if Pacman touches the borders. You learn, then he will start to be stopped. He'll start to be stopped and he won't be able to go through them.
Yeah, another beneficial thing when you learn when you do this Pacman in coding is that you will learn a lot of coding skills, like the loop. Doing some loops, especially loop is really important. Let's say you gotta bring 10 packages from a given store.
Yep.
And are you gonna make a 10 round of going there and bring it, or you can make it in one stop? See, that's what loop really is important. So once you create a loop, it can just automatically do for you all those stops for you. So ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, welcome to the Success Coach. Today we are going to do the Pacman game. And here we have got Shadia Rashid. She's really pro in Success Coach. She's really pro in Scratch, and also you may remember her in CodeMonkey. She's been doing a lot of slow coding things, and as well as now she's here to do some coding. So we're gonna learn a lot of basic principles in coding while we are developing the Pacman game here. So for that, like I said, we are here from the Washington DC. So how is the temperature looks here, Ashra, if you can tell us?
Looks pretty cloudy. I don't think I see any sun out today.
Yes, it's kind of cloudy here in Washington, D.C. and today is April the 10th and the time is 10:59 a.m. Welcome everyone. We're gonna start in just few minutes.
Yeah, so on the Scratch educational game, there are many different codes we can use. For example, if the direction is down, where would he go? He would be going down, but where would he look? Would he be looking up when he's going down? No. He would be facing down when he's going down. The same thing to the other ones. There are lots of different loops. For example, one of the loops here is that when Pacman presses the right arrow button, he'll continue going there.
Right.
That's called a forever loop.
Which
means it's going to keep on going forever and ever and ever.
Awesome. So, as you can see, can you explain a little bit for us, Shadi, how the game works? You can see right there, the Pacman is collecting all those yellow dots, and as well as sometimes it's gonna get crushed. And there is also a big yellow right there. So, if you're gonna explain this basic thing today and what we're going to achieve from today's session as well.
Yes, right here you can see that Pacman, he is eating the yellow things, and whenever he lost all of his lives, then it says game over. So let's get started.
So if you are wondering how this is done using a code, you are on the right episode here at the Success Coach. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Let's go ahead and start developing the